Yo, we're broadcasting live from Culinary Arts School. I'm about to go in, and it's chicken day. I'm about to cut this chicken up. Say goodbye. He's waving. I got him on the table. Oh my God. It's chicken day. This chicken is out of here today. And this guy. This chicken is out of here. Shut up, shut up.
What if my chicken already has a broken fucking foot?
Yo, Michi.
It came broke.
What's up?
What up?
What's going on?
Check out the chicken, yo.
This chicken's out of here. Next time you see him, he's waving by. I'm about to grill this. I'm about to cut this chicken up.